Words that start with the letter F, G, H, I, and J. F. Fan. A fan moves air around to make you feel cooler. Fawn. A fawn is a young deer. Feathers. Feathers help birds fly and keep them warm. Feet. Feet at the bottom of the legs help us stand and walk. Fence. A fence is an outside wall between two places. Firefighter. A firefighter is someone who puts out fires. Floor. The floor is the part of the room you stand on. Footprint. A footprint is a mark left by a foot or a shoe. Forehead. The forehead is the part of the face above the eyes. Frog. A frog is an animal with smooth skin that hops. Gate. A gate is an opening in a wall or fence. Globe. A globe is a round model of the earth. Gloves. Gloves cover each finger to keep your hands warm. Glue. Glue is used to stick things together. Goose. A goose is a water bird with a long neck. H. Hammer. A hammer is a tool used for pounding nails. Helmet. A helmet is a hard hat that protects your head. Hen. A hen is a female chicken. Hexagon. A hexagon is a shape with 6 sides and 6 corners. Honey. Honey is a thick sweet syrup made by bees. Horse. A horse is a large animal with long legs and can be used for riding. Hospital. A hospital is a building where people go when they are sick or injured. Hotel. A hotel is a building where people can stay when they are traveling. Ice. Ice is frozen water. Icicle. An icicle forms when dripping water freezes. Iron. An iron heats up and is used to smooth out creases in clothes. Island. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water. Jam. Jam is a sweet food made from fruit and sugar. Joyful. Feeling joyful means that you are full of happiness. Jug. A jug is a large deep container with a handle.